Hello everyone, welcome to A-Levels with Sami. If you're watching this video, you are either an A2 student or an accelerated A-level physics student who is about to start this playlist. Now the question is, for whom is this playlist suitable for? All the videos are based on Cambridge A-Level Physics 9702. However, since the topics are similar across the boards, students from OCR, Edexcel, AQA boards can also benefit from it. One of the major things that I want to clarify is that the mode of instruction is Urdu, or you could also say Hindi. And I have been bilingual throughout the videos as our course constant, as basically our course content is in English. If you only understand English, feel free to check out the audio section and see if audio dubbing is available in English. As far as our paper for A-Level Physics 9702 is concerned, we have two papers, paper 4 and paper 5. Normally, what we see is that paper 1, paper 2, paper 3, which we gave in AS, have a 50% weightage, and paper 4 and paper 5 consist of the remaining 50% of your A-level grade. If you see, paper 4 has the greatest amount of weightage, which is 38.5%, which means by no means you're able to mess up this paper. You have to make sure you score good in this paper. It is of 100 marks and you'll have 2 hours for this. For paper 5, its weightage is similar to paper 3, and as this paper is also similar to paper 3. However, paper 3 was attempted inside the lab. Over here in paper 5, you have to do it sort of an alternative to practical sort of a way. You don't have to design an experiment, as in you basically have to design an experiment on the paper rather than setting up the experiment, setting up the apparatus and so on and so. You'll have 30 marks and you'll be given 1 hour and 15 minutes to attempt this paper. For paper 4, I forgot to mention that this would be a theory paper, just like your paper 2, and you'll have 100 marks for this paper and you'll be given 2 hours for this. As far as the videos that I've uploaded are concerned in this playlist, they are in this order. We will cover circular motion, gravitational fields, simple harmonic motion, electric fields, ideal gases, thermodynamics, capacitance, magnetic fields, alternating currents, quantum physics, nuclear physics, medical physics, astronomy, and cosmology. Something that I would like to recommend you is that after each and every chapter, make sure you attempt topical past papers. This playlist has been designed in such a way that once you have completed this chapter, let's say you complete circular motion and you attempt its topical past papers, gravitational fields will feel easier to you. The knowledge is normally required from the previous chapter. For example, in gravitational fields, you will require some knowledge from circular motion. Similarly, you will move further with simple harmonic motion, and you will basically see if you cover these chapters well, the initial chapters well, the next chapter, whatever chapter is coming up, that would feel a lot easier. Which we know that gravitational fields is linked with what circular motion. Similarly, if we talk about electric fields, this chapter is pretty much linked with gravitational fields in such a way that the formulation of the formulae, the formulas, they are pretty similar. That's it from my side. I hope you enjoy the playlist.